15 Magical Benefits of Lemon Water for the Body. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink lemon water every day? Did you know that this simple habit can bring incredible health benefits? In today's video, we're going to reveal the 15 surprising benefits of lemon water and how it can transform your body in ways you never imagined. If you're curious to know how this simple drink can improve your life, stay with us until the end of this video. Lemon water is a refreshing and easy-to-prepare drink. Just squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water, and you're done. But did you know it goes beyond being just a tasty option? Let's explore the secrets of this drink and discover all its benefits. With every sip, you'll be promoting a series of improvements in your body, from digestion to immunity. Get ready to be amazed by the versatility and powers of lemon water. You'll be surprised by benefit 13, which few people know about. Let's get started. 15 Magical Benefits of Lemon Water for the Body. 1. Improved hydration. Drinking lemon water can help improve hydration since many people find it tastier than plain water, encouraging greater fluid intake. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining all bodily functions, including temperature regulation, joint lubrication, digestion, and nutrient transport. Studies show that adding natural flavors, like lemon, to water can increase daily fluid intake by up to 20%. Moreover, lemon contains electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance in the body. This is particularly important for those who exercise regularly, as proper hydration improves performance and speeds up muscle recovery. When you're well hydrated, your skin looks healthier, your energy levels increase, and your body functions more efficiently. Adequate hydration is also crucial for mental health. Dehydration can lead to concentration difficulties, headaches, and mood swings. Drinking lemon water regularly can help prevent these symptoms, keeping your brain functioning optimally. 2. Boosted immunity. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system and fight colds and flu. Vitamin C also boosts the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending the body against infections. Additionally, antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that regular intake of vitamin C can reduce the duration and severity of colds. Moreover, consuming lemon helps keep the skin healthy and youthful, as vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a protein that gives skin firmness and elasticity. Besides the direct benefits of vitamin C, compounds in lemon, such as flavonoids, have antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help prevent infections and strengthen the body's immune response. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to boost your natural defenses. 3. Improved digestion. Lemon water can help improve digestion and relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating, thanks to its ability to stimulate stomach acid production. Drinking lemon water in the morning can help wake up the digestive system, promoting healthy bowel movements and preventing constipation. The acidity of lemon also helps break down food more quickly, facilitating digestion. Additionally, lemons contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help regulate bowel movements and promote colon health. People with poor digestion or acid reflux may find it useful to drink lemon water as part of their daily routine. Lemon water can also stimulate bile production, a digestive fluid produced by the liver that helps digest fats. Bile is essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and nutrients, and its adequate production is crucial for digestive health. Incorporating lemon water into your diet can be an effective way to support digestion and prevent gastrointestinal discomfort. 4. Body detoxification. Lemon water helps detoxify the liver, promoting the elimination of toxins and improving liver function. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, and compounds in lemon, such as citric acid, can increase the liver's ability to produce detoxifying enzymes. Drinking lemon water in the morning can stimulate bile production, which is essential for fat digestion and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Additionally, the mild diuretic action of lemon helps eliminate toxins through urine, keeping the urinary system healthy. Regular detoxification is crucial for maintaining overall health. Accumulated toxins in the body can lead to fatigue, skin problems, headaches, and other symptoms of malaise. Incorporating lemon water into your routine can help keep your body clean and functioning efficiently, promoting a general sense of well-being. 5. Skin health. Thanks to vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon water can help keep your skin healthy and radiant by fighting damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Moreover, the antioxidants in lemon help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Drinking lemon water regularly can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and lighten dark spots. Some studies suggest that topical application of lemon juice can help treat acne and other inflammatory skin conditions due to its antibacterial and astringent properties. Proper hydration is also vital for skin health. When you're well hydrated, your skin is more elastic and less prone to dryness and irritation. Lemon water, with its hydrating and nourishing properties, can help keep your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. 6. Prevention of kidney stones. The citric acid in lemon can help prevent kidney stone formation by increasing urine volume and reducing acidity. Citric acid binds to calcium in the urine, reducing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, which are the main components of kidney stones. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that lemonade consumption increased urinary citrate levels in patients with a history of kidney stones, reducing the risk of recurrence. Drinking lemon water regularly can be an effective and natural way to keep your kidneys healthy and prevent painful stones from forming. Lemon water can also help dilute urine, reducing the concentration of minerals that can crystallize and form stones. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health, and lemon water offers a tasty and nutritious way to ensure you're drinking enough fluids to keep your kidneys functioning correctly. 7. Weight loss. Lemon water can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting satiety. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in lemon, can help reduce appetite and control blood sugar levels, preventing hunger spikes. Moreover, lemon water is a healthy and low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks, helping to reduce daily calorie intake. Some studies suggest that adequate hydration can increase metabolism by up to 30%, making it easier to burn calories. Drinking lemon water before meals can help decrease calorie intake by promoting a feeling of fullness that prevents overeating. The combination of hydration, fiber, and nutrients in lemon makes lemon water a powerful tool for those looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. 8. Heart health. Regular consumption of lemon water can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving circulation and reducing inflammation. Vitamin C and flavonoids in lemon have antioxidant properties that protect heart cells from damage caused by free radicals. The potassium in lemon helps control blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and strokes. Studies show that potassium intake is associated with a lower incidence of heart disease and greater longevity. Lemon water can also help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, the good cholesterol levels. This contributes to cardiovascular health by preventing plaque buildup in the arteries and keeping the heart healthy. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, benefiting conditions like arthritis. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals causing inflammation and cellular damage. Moreover, lemons contain bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids, which have shown anti-inflammatory effects in laboratory studies. Drinking lemon water regularly can help relieve joint pain and stiffness, improving the quality of life for people with chronic inflammatory conditions. Reducing systemic inflammation is crucial for preventing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating lemon water into your diet can be a simple and effective way to keep inflammation under control and promote overall health. 10. Bone health. Lemon can improve bone health by increasing the absorption of calcium and other essential minerals. Vitamin C in lemon is important for collagen formation, which is a fundamental component of bone matrix. Moreover, lemon contains small amounts of calcium and magnesium, which are essential for bone health. Studies suggest that vitamin C can help prevent age-related bone loss, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Lemon water can also help maintain an adequate acid-base balance in the body, which is essential for bone health. An overly acidic body environment can lead to bone demineralization, while a balanced pH promotes the retention of essential minerals, strengthening the bones. 11. Blood sugar control. Lemon water can help regulate blood sugar levels, being beneficial for people with diabetes. Pectin and polyphenol in lemon can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce sugar absorption in the intestine. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that lemon juice intake reduced blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Drinking lemon water can be a simple and natural way to help control blood sugar levels. Moreover, Adequate hydration is essential for metabolic health. Dehydration can lead to glucose spikes and insulin resistance. Drinking lemon water regularly can help maintain fluid and metabolic balance, supporting healthy blood sugar management. 12. Antibacterial and antiviral action. Lemon has antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping to fight infections and strengthen the immune system. Allicin, a compound found in lemon, has shown activity against a variety of bacteria and viruses in laboratory studies. Drinking lemon water can help prevent common infections, such as colds and flu, and support the treatment of bacterial and fungal infections. Including lemon in your diet regularly can help keep your body healthy and protected against pathogens. Lemon water can also be used as a gargle to relieve sore throats and reduce tonsil inflammation. Its antimicrobial properties help eliminate bacteria and viruses, providing quick and natural relief for throat discomfort. 13. Reduction of bad breath. Drinking lemon water can help combat bad breath by stimulating saliva production and preventing dry mouth. The acidity of lemon also helps neutralize unpleasant odors in the mouth, providing fresh breath. Moreover, lemon has antibacterial properties that help fight bacteria causing bad breath. Rinsing your mouth with diluted lemon water can be an effective way to improve oral health and keep your breath fresh throughout the day. Saliva production is essential for oral health as it helps clean food debris and bacteria from the mouth. Lemon water, by stimulating salivation, can help prevent cavities and gum disease, keeping your mouth healthy and fresh. 14. Improved cognitive function. Antioxidants in lemon can help improve brain function and prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Vitamin C and flavonoids have shown neuroprotective effects in laboratory studies, helping protect brain cells against oxidative damage. Moreover, proper hydration is essential for cognitive function, and drinking lemon water can help keep the brain well hydrated. Studies suggest that dehydration can impair memory and concentration, while adequate hydration improves cognitive performance. Including lemon in your diet can also improve blood circulation, ensuring the brain receives enough oxygen and nutrients to function efficiently. The combination of antioxidants and hydration makes lemon water an excellent choice for maintaining brain health and high cognitive function. 15. Body pH balance. Despite being acidic, lemon has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance pH and promote overall health. Many processed foods and sugary drinks can acidify the body, leading to pH imbalance. Drinking lemon water can help neutralize this acidity, promoting a more alkaline internal environment. A balanced pH is essential for cellular health, immune function, and the prevention of chronic diseases. pH balance is crucial for metabolic health and general well-being. An acidic environment can favor the development of inflammation and diseases, while an alkaline pH promotes health and longevity. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to maintain the body's acid-base balance. Additional and relevant information. Studies indicate that lemon water promotes health, from detoxification to the prevention of chronic diseases. Regular intake of lemon water offers several scientifically proven benefits. According to the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin C significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Lemon water is rich in antioxidants, protecting cells against oxidative damage and inflammation. Additionally, the Journal of the American College of Nutrition reports that regular lemon consumption reduces the incidence of kidney stones due to citric acid. Other studies suggest that lemon water improves mood and reduces stress, as vitamin C is essential in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which affects well-being. Therefore, including lemon water in the diet is a preventive and health-promoting measure. Prevention and treatment. Lemon water offers various health benefits, including the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and blood sugar regulation. Rich in potassium and antioxidants, it improves circulation, reduces inflammation, prevents hypertension, and protects heart cells. For diabetics, lemon water helps control glucose and improves insulin sensitivity, thanks to lemon's pectin and polyphenol. Additionally, it can be used in detox regimes, promoting liver cleansing and toxin elimination. Citric acid and antioxidants stimulate the production of detoxifying enzymes, supporting liver function and promoting overall health. Thus, including lemon water in the diet is a valuable preventive and health-promoting measure. Disadvantages and precautions. Despite the benefits, excessive consumption of lemon water can cause tooth enamel erosion due to its acidity. It is advisable to drink in moderation and use a straw to minimize contact with teeth. People with acid reflux or stomach problems should consult a doctor before incorporating lemon water into their daily routine, as the acidity can irritate the stomach and esophageal lining, worsening symptoms. Lemon water can also interfere with the absorption of certain medications and increase the risk of side effects, so it is essential to consult a doctor before consuming large amounts. Additionally, some people may be allergic to lemon, presenting symptoms like rashes, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. In this case, consumption should be discontinued, and medical attention should be sought immediately. Application tips. To incorporate lemon water into your routine, start the day with a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach, helping with hydration, digestion, and detoxification. Add lemon slices to your water bottle to drink throughout the day, providing hydration and flavor. Try different combinations, such as adding ginger or mint to lemon water. Ginger offers anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, while mint relieves digestive problems and freshens breath. Use lemon in salads, marinades, and teas. Lemon juice is a great salad dressing and can tenderize meats and fish in marinades. Make lemon ice cubes by squeezing the juice and freezing it in ice trays, adding these cubes to water for a refreshing drink. Combine this practice with a balanced diet and regular exercise to achieve the best results for your overall health. Including lemon water in your diet can bring numerous health benefits, from improving hydration to strengthening the immune system. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and comment below on your experiences with lemon water. Taking care of your health is a fundamental step towards a long and fulfilling life. See you in the next video.